How I created a brand new viral YouTube channel in just a few minutes and uploaded a viral shorts. So first I had created a channel and give it an attractive name with a logo and a short and precise description. After that I went to Microsoft Store and download TikTok app and scrolling till I find a perfect and viral niche. Then I found this TikTok account where a grandma makes art and entertain people. So I just downloaded one video from there by copying the link and uploading it into any video downloader website. After all that I opened this video on CapCut and started editing, but before that I searched a little bit on YouTube to get ideas from my competitors to perform it well. So after taking ideas and clues I went on CapCut and started editing, first splitting the unused or waste parts. Then I started making a story related to the video. Then I started AI voiceover from CapCut only, and then matching it with the timeline. And after that adding red circle and arrow to make it look engaging and applying motion tracking on the arrow. Then adding captions and templates looking amazing and easy for people to understand.
How this grandma is being awarded by first prize in her school painting competition. Wait for the result first. She takes a watermelon and leave the space for sun and started shading the scenery like sunset and making trees after that, highlighting the leaves with black, yellow and red color. Now it's the time for result. Let's see how many likes can you give for this beautiful art.
Now the final step, uploading, giving the title How This Grandma Wins First Prize, and then in description writing the title again and giving credit to the video owner and adding 4 to 5 hashtags related to the video, and leaving the rest just adding relevant tags and publishing the video. Believe me, the video results is crazy. If you want part 2, subscribe and comment part 2.